everyone? Case Ford here, welding instructor at Jacksonville Tulsa Welding School. And today we're going to be doing a unique process. You know, it's not really all that common out in the field, but just in case you do come across it, you kind of have a heads up. So we have here what's an overhead T-plate, very common, structural wise. So if you're ever on the job welding with hardwire, you know what to do. So a lot of your structural welds are going to be with flux core, but today I'm going to show you how to do it with hardwire. All right, so it's a simple process. We got our volts cranked up to 20 and our wire speed at 250. All right, we're going to be using what's called wire manipulation on this T-joint. All right, we're going to be making little circles going all the way across, just like this. All right, want to take our time, make sure our bead is filling out nice and even, and that we don't get no undercut, and that we got 100% penetration. So if you guys are ready, let's jump into it. All right, try and get comfortable here. Always about getting comfortable. Here we go. All right, I think that came out pretty good. I'm gonna take our wire wheel here, give it a nice clean. Now, as is common with hardwire, you're always gonna have some amount of spatter, and that's common. All right, now we're gonna drop down and cover up that middle toe there. Get that 50%, more like a 60-70% coverage. Then we're gonna tie into that top side, but first we gotta hit this bottom side. Here we go. All right, got a little squiggly on that, but luckily we're going to cover that up with the next passes. All right, now for that top weld. All right. So now we're going to drop back down and put down our final, or one of our final bead caps, or cap beads. So now we're going to drop back down and put in our fourth bead. All right, now for number 5, right there in the middle.